Hi Bill, this is Brittany. I promised to provide you a quick educational video with some tips and tricks that you can do yourself on how to optimize your website and online presence. You're probably asking why I'm sending this. So I realized recently that small business owners are so busy running their business and taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to get more customers. And the only thing stopping them is knowing who is an expert and who is not. Some people will choose to take this information and do it themselves, while some people will contact me. This is just to educate you and help you out with an attack plan. So I'm going to be going over 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First, I'm going to go over the content on your homepage. So right now, looking at the number of words that you have on your homepage, there's not a whole lot of content on your homepage. I would say there's probably around 100, 150 words here. Now we do recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. And this is due to the fact that Google loves content. It gives you authority. So content is king. And so keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So for example, I typed in here at the top of Google search, flooring company in Alpharetta, Georgia, where you guys are located. And this is a great buyer intent keyword because it's service specific. I'm looking for a flooring company and location specific in Alpharetta, Georgia. So the first thing that pops up are these local Google guaranteed ads. And these are really good for high conversions. They have a high conversion rate around 40 to 60%. Below that are these Google ads where 5 to 10% of people will click on one of these businesses to do their service. Third thing below that is something called the Google Map Pack, where 30% of people will choose one of these top businesses to do their service that they're looking for. And last but not least, we have the organic search result here on the first page of Google, where 60 to 70% of people will choose one of these top businesses for their service. Now I was looking for a local company, and a lot of these directories were showing up like Yelp and Houzz and Angie, but the first one that organically shows up is Flax Flooring, and I went ahead and I brought up their website here. So I'm going to look at the content that they have on their home page. They have around 400 words or so, maybe 300 to 400 words on their homepage. So not the recommended amount, but they are doing some really good things that I wanted to show you that you can also do yourself to rank on that first page of Google. So here is a page program that I use called Ahrefs that I like to research websites on. And there are 2 ratings here. There's a DR rating and a UR rating. A DR rating is essentially a power rating Google gives to your website, and the UR rating is a trust rating. And both of these are raised by something called a backlink. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you or pointing back to your website. Essentially, it's like a popularity contest. So looking at Flax Flooring, they have 204 referring domains, pointing to 1.83K or almost 2,000 backlinks. It is worth noting, though, I know this is a high number, but the best backlinks to have are those that are quality backlinks, those that are relevant to your industry and the services that you offer, and from local websites will work the best. So I definitely recommend not only just meeting the number of backlinks that they have over time, but you definitely want to beat them as well, probably around 2,000 backlinks or so, but also focusing on the quality backlinks as well. Looking at your website, Shadow Flooring, you guys have 11 referring domains pointing to 20 backlinks. So you definitely want to raise the number of backlinks that you have and focus on the quality that you have. When I was also researching your backlinks, only half of those were good quality ones. The other half were actually spammy. So you definitely want to be careful too with that, because that can also be a red flag with Google. So definitely focus on those quality backlinks there. That will also raise your authority and power with Google. So we've gone over content and backlinks. Last thing I want to go over are citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. And citations help you rank in the map pack here that I showed you on our search result there. This is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations include directories, like we saw down here, Yelp, Houzz, there's also Better Business Bureau, and social media accounts also. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you rank above them and also are able to rank above them on the Google Map pack here. Alright, so we've gone over content, backlinks, and citations. And once you are able to optimize those three things, you'll be able to see a lot more traffic than you're currently getting. So right now you guys are only getting 40 organic traffic clicks to your website per month, which is not a whole lot. Flat scoring, they're getting around 1,000 or so organic traffic. So the more traffic that you guys have to your website, the more leads that you're going to get, which means the more revenue that you're going to have as well. So you definitely want to get those three things taken care of so you guys can actually optimize your website and so that it's working for you as much as it should be. Alright, so that about covers it for today. I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback, and I hope you have a great day, Bill.